Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Trillionaire token. Ticker symbol is TLC. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing May 12th, which is today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. The Trillionaire token. So the Trillionaire crypto project aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world by offering financial services for both crypto projects and private users. This will include access to investment products as well as traditional fiat banking and financial services for blockchain businesses and individuals. So that's what this project is in a nutshell. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, May 12th, 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TLC, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they just finished their Kickstarter event on Mexc Global, and now they are live as of today. So check out that Mexc referral code. Now the Trillionaire token, it's a well-established project. It already has 21,774 holders. 46,273 transfers. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. There is a total supply of 1 billion TLC tokens and 18 decimal places on this token. You can also find this token listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. It actually just got listed on CoinGecko today or yesterday in the new section. I saw it. So very brand new listing on CoinGecko, or they relisted it on there. And they have a 16-page white paper that you could find on their webpage, trillionaire.io. So just go to trillionaire.io/whitepaper.pdf and you could find a 16-page white paper. So the Trillionaire project is poised to disrupt the traditional finance industry by bringing cutting-edge blockchain technology to the forefront of the industry. With its focus on providing accessible and user-friendly financial services, the Trillionaire project is primed to be a game changer for both crypto enthusiasts and traditional investors alike. So it goes over traditional finance, and then it goes over how we solve it. So the Trillionaire crypto project aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world by offering a comprehensive suite of financial services that cater to the needs of both worlds. Through its banking and payment processing system, the investment platform, the Trillionaire project provides users with access to a range of financial services that are secure, transparent, and user-friendly. One of the key ways in which the Trillionaire project can solve this problem of the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world is by offering users access to both fiat and crypto-based financial services. The Trillionaire banking and payment processing system will allow users to open bank accounts, transfer funds, and access a range of traditional fiat financial services, while the investment platform will enable users to invest in a range of crypto-based and traditional investment products. The Trillionaire project will also leverage blockchain technology to provide secure and transparent financial services by using blockchain technology. The Trillionaire project can offer users a platform that is secure, tamper-proof, and transparent, making it an attractive alternative to traditional financial systems. Another way in which the Trillionaire project can solve the problem of the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world is providing a user-friendly platform that is accessible to users around the world. The Trillionaire project will offer a user-friendly interface that is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, making it accessible to everyone at any technical expertise. So there's going to be low fees and options for users who want to save money on their financial transactions and investments. All sorts of cool stuff. So some of the products here, they're going to have the Trillionaire Metaverse Bank. That sounds interesting there. And so what is metaverse banking? It goes, I mean, we can kind of guess what metaverse banking is. It's a bank in the metaverse. And why is this the next generation bank? Obviously, there's lots of benefits, like you don't have to leave your house. It's very quick, right? I mean, mobile apps are kind of like, you know, you don't have to leave your house already, but I guess you can do more things in person by talking to somebody. So they're going to have the Trillionaire wallet revolutionizing digital payments, seamless transactions, security, accessibility, the benefits of the Trillionaire wallet. They go over that. Trillionaire debit and credit cards, the future of payments, seamless transactions, security and convenience for those as well. Then they go over the benefits of those. They're also going to have the Trillionaire DAO, decentralized governance for the decentralized future. So you're going to be able to vote on proposals, community participation, transparencies. Then they go over the benefits of that. And they also have the Trillionaire brokerage services, bringing traditional finance markets into the crypto age with brokerage accounts, direct market access, seamless trading experience, and security and reliability. And so their roadmap started in Q4 2022 with the design of the idea, concept developing, team building, company establishment. Then this year, Q1, we had the website launch, company establishment, legal issues setting, concept development, website, white paper, token development, and audit. And then Q2, here we are right now with the listing on a central exchange, which is Mexc Global. Then they're going to launch their wallet. Q3 this year, we're going to have the Visa card, launching the debit and credit card payment app, local shop onboarding. Q3 this year, the crypto bank, metaverse banking, and then the wallet 2.0. And then last after that, we're going to have brokerage services, a portal into trading Forex, stocks, and crypto, and country expansion. So I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Trillionaire token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token got listed today. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.